Let me ask you one question. Have you ever used Google? Do you know what Google is? And do you know that you can make a lot of money on Google? In this video, I will show you exactly how you can make $220 over and over again in just minutes. All you have to do is just go onto this brand new website and use this brand new Google trick that I will be teaching you in this video. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Now, the first step that you need to do if you want to create hundreds and hundreds of dollars through the use of Google is you need to open this website called shrinkme.io. This is a URL shortener website that can pay you up to $220 per 10,000 views. If you want to see if this website is legit and real, you can see and open this payment option proof. You can see and open this payment proof tab on the upper side of the website here, and you will see all the real-time payments they pay their users. You can see that they do not miss out on any of the payments, and they pay through different payment methods. You can also see how much they have paid their users in real time. Now, there are 3 easy steps you need to do on this website to start earning money now. The first step is to create and sign up for your account. Next is you need to start shortening your links and share these links with other people. And I'll be teaching you how to do this later on this video. And the last and final step is you just need to earn your money. Now, there is a catch. I need you to listen closely and carefully to this video, since this will only work if you do it right, and I'll be teaching you that. Now, if you want to sign up for a free account, just go on and hover your mouse to this top right hand corner and you're gonna see this register button. Just click on this link and then you just have to register for a brand new membership. Now, once you sign up for a free account, you instantly get $1 for free. This is a sign up bonus, and once you make $5, you can begin cashing out your money. I'll teach you exactly how you can make money right now, starting today by using my Google Trick method. There are payouts daily. This is exactly why I love this website, because there are other websites where you can use the same method to make money, but they pay out every other week. This website will pay out daily, and they cover a lot of different payment methods. Now, if you guys are coming from different countries around the world, you can receive your payment on this website. And again, their minimum payment is just $5. It becomes very easy once you make $5, so you can begin cashing out money into whatever payment method that you want. So now here's how it works. The method that we are going to use on this website is we are going to go onto YouTube and we will find a video, a very specific video, and we're gonna get the link of that video, and then we're gonna come back to this website and we will paste the link on this bar. We are going to shorten this link. Once you shorten it, you are then going to share this link to different platforms, and then every single time people click on your link, you are going to make money. Now, let me show you different payment rates that you will receive if people from Greenland will click on your link. You are going to earn $22 for every 1,000 views. If you get people from the United States to click on your link, you'll earn $10. Now you are going to see different countries click on your link and you can earn different types of money. So right now in this video, I want to cover how you can find the best video on YouTube. Because if you find a bad video, you will not make a lot of money. I'll teach you how you can find one, and then we're gonna come onto this website to shorten the link. Once we get a shortened link, we're going to go onto Google and use a very special trick to multiply your money and make a lot of money with this method. I'm excited to show you the entire system. Now we're going to go on to YouTube. Now, the best performing videos that I've ever seen are all about weight loss. In this world, so many people want to learn how to lose weight. So the best videos are going to be weight loss videos. So when you go onto YouTube, you're gonna type in weight loss videos, and then you're going to click on this filter, and then you're going to click on this week. Now we're going to find the best performing video this week because there are brand new fresh content, and as you can see here, and then you are going to find the highest viewed video. For example, this one. What you should do next is just click on the video, and then on top of that, you're going to see this. This is the link to the video. You're gonna click on this and then just copy it. Right now, we're going to go to shrinkme.io, and then we're going to paste the link right here on this topic. And then once we paste the link, you just have to click on this button. Once you click on that button, they're going to give you a shortened link, as you can see here. So what you can do is just click on this, highlight them, and again, you're going to copy this link for later. Right now, what you can do is go back to Google. So we're gonna find forums, weight loss forums. What you're gonna do is you're going to type in the keyword weight loss forums and then search. When we use this strategy, you're going to find a lot of different forums where you can share the link, because usually people who want to lose weight, they're going to hang out and find different forums to join different discussions and find different tips to lose weight. So what you're gonna do is that you're going to join one of these forums. For example, this one. Now, this is just one of the examples that I want to show you. You can find hundreds of different forums by just using Google. But again, make sure you stay tuned until the end of this video, because I'll show you the #1 trick on how you can get people from Greenland to click on your link so that you can make more money, as you can see here. If you get people from, let's say, Sweden, you just have to make $5. But if you can get people from Greenland, you'll make 4 times more money, which is just very crazy. Now, I'll show you exactly how to do this in just a moment. Let's go back to the forum. Once you go onto the forum, usually you can just sign up and register for free. So for example, in this forum, just click on this register button, and then you have to fill out your information. What I recommend you do is you don't use your real name. Use a fake name and the username, and then sign up for an account. You can repeat the same thing on many different forums. The more forums you can find, the more links that you can share out there, and the more people are going to click on your link. But again, there is one big problem, because when you use this method, you can get people from different countries to click on your link. But how can we focus and find more people from Greenland, more people from Ireland and the United States, so that you can make more money? This is the secret tactic that I want to show you. When you do a different search on Google, what you're gonna do is you're going to click on this setting. So I want to click on settings, and you are going to find the advanced search. Click on that, and then right here, you're gonna see this region. The region you want to filter them on. For example, Greenland. By doing that, you can find a lot of forums specifically in Greenland. And then you just repeat the same method, and that's how you can get a lot of people from Greenland to click on your link. But again, unfortunately, the forum that's available in Greenland is very limited. That's why the second thing that you can do is that you can do it in Ireland or in the United States. Again, you can go back to Google and just go back to the settings, and over the region, you find what country you want. You can repeat the same method again and again. You can find different weight loss videos on YouTube, and again, this is 100% legal. This is ethical to use, and you will not get punished or penalized because you are not reposting or re-uploading other people's videos. Instead, you are sharing other people's videos. This is one method to use the Google trick, because you can get very focused and specialized in a location to make more money on this rate right here. But again, you can use a lot of different methods to share this link. For example, you can share this link on YouTube. You can do it on YouTube comments, or for example, you can do it on Facebook, on different social media platforms that you have. Now, the more people that you click on your link, the more money you're going to make. So this is exactly how all of these people are making money from all over the world. People are doing this every single day. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.